Welcome to today's video about the health benefits of drinking rosemary tea every day. Have you ever wondered if a simple cup of tea could dramatically improve your health? What if there was a way to tap into the natural healing power of a plant used for centuries? Could rosemary tea be the daily ritual that unlocks these benefits? Today, we're exploring the top 10 reasons why drinking rosemary tea every day could be one of the best decisions for your health. From enhancing brain function to supporting liver detoxification, rosemary tea is packed with incredible benefits that go far beyond its soothing aroma. Let's explore the powerful effects of this ancient herb and discover why you should make it a daily habit. Benefit number 1. Helps improve blood sugar levels. One of the standout benefits of rosemary tea is its ability to regulate blood sugar levels. This is particularly crucial for people with prediabetes or type 2 diabetes. Rosemary contains specific compounds that enhance insulin sensitivity, allowing your body to utilize glucose more effectively. These compounds also mimic the actions of insulin, further aiding in the stabilization of blood sugar levels. For those battling fluctuating glucose levels, rosemary tea can be a natural, supportive tool. Incorporating this tea into your routine can help you maintain healthier blood sugar levels, potentially reducing the risk of complications associated with diabetes. Benefit number 2. Enhances blood circulation. Rosemary tea is known for its ability to improve blood circulation. By dilating the blood vessels, rosemary helps lower blood pressure, reducing the risk of heart disease and stroke. Improved circulation also means that more oxygen and nutrients are delivered efficiently throughout the body, particularly to vital organs like the brain. This boost in circulation is not just beneficial for overall cardiovascular health, but also enhances cognitive function, keeping your mind sharp. However, it's important to consume rosemary tea in moderation. While its benefits are substantial, excessive consumption could lead to side effects such as gastrointestinal discomfort or interactions with certain medications. Benefit number 3. Relieves digestive problems. Digestive discomfort such as bloating, gas, and cramps can often be alleviated with rosemary tea. Rosemary has traditionally been used as a remedy for a variety of digestive issues due to its carminative properties, which help to reduce gas and promote the expulsion of wind from the stomach and intestines. This herb also stimulates the production of bile, aiding in the digestion of fats and improving overall digestive efficiency. The antispasmodic qualities of rosemary help to relax the smooth muscles of the gastrointestinal tract, reducing cramps and stomach pains. Additionally, its antimicrobial properties protect against harmful bacteria and fungi that can disrupt the digestive process. For those who frequently suffer from digestive issues, a daily cup of rosemary tea can offer significant relief and improve overall gut health. Benefit number 4. Enhances brain function. Rosemary has long been celebrated for its ability to boost cognitive function. Carnosic acid, a compound found in rosemary, protects the brain from damage caused by free radicals, thus reducing the risk of neurodegenerative diseases such as Alzheimer's. Moreover, rosemary aids in the breakdown of acetylcholine, a neurotransmitter that is crucial for memory and learning. This not only improves memory, but also enhances focus and concentration. Studies have shown that even the aroma of rosemary can boost cognitive performance. Drinking rosemary tea regularly can therefore provide a natural way to keep your brain sharp as you age, potentially delaying the onset of age-related cognitive decline. Benefit number 5. Offers anti-inflammatory effects. Inflammation is a common underlying factor in many chronic diseases, including arthritis, heart disease, and certain cancers. Rosemary's potent anti-inflammatory properties can help mitigate this. The active compounds in rosemary, such as rosmarinic acid and carnosol, are known to reduce inflammation and alleviate pain associated with inflammatory conditions. Whether you suffer from chronic joint pain, muscle soreness, or other inflammatory issues, incorporating rosemary tea into your diet can provide a natural way to manage these symptoms. Additionally, applying rosemary essential oil to inflamed areas can enhance the anti-inflammatory effects, providing further relief from pain and swelling. Benefit number 6. Helps combat stress and anxiety. In today's fast-paced world, stress and anxiety are common issues that can take a toll on both mental and physical health. Rosemary tea is known for its calming properties, making it an excellent choice for managing stress. The natural compounds in rosemary, such as cineole and camphor, have been shown to reduce cortisol levels, the body's primary stress hormone. By lowering cortisol levels, rosemary tea helps to create a sense of calm and relaxation. Drinking a cup of rosemary tea before bed can also improve sleep quality, making it easier to unwind and enjoy a restful night's sleep. For those who struggle with anxiety or stress-related insomnia, rosemary tea can be a simple, natural remedy. Benefit number 7. Strengthens the immune system. Your immune system is your body's defense against infections, and rosemary tea can help to strengthen it. The antimicrobial, antioxidant, and anti-inflammatory properties of rosemary work together to enhance the body's immune response. This makes rosemary tea particularly effective in reducing the risk of colds, flu, and other infections. The high antioxidant content in rosemary helps to neutralize free radicals, which can otherwise damage cells and weaken the immune system. By incorporating rosemary tea into your daily routine, you can give your immune system the support it needs to protect your body from illness, especially during the cold and flu season. Benefit number 8. Detoxifies the liver. The liver is responsible for detoxifying the body, and rosemary tea can play a supportive role in this process. Rosemary helps to protect the liver from damage caused by toxins and supports its natural detoxification processes. It is particularly beneficial for preventing the accumulation of fats in the liver, a common issue in people with fatty liver disease. Additionally, rosemary's antioxidant properties help to reduce oxidative stress in the liver, which can further protect against liver damage. Drinking rosemary tea regularly can therefore support liver health, improve detoxification, and enhance overall well-being. Benefit number 9. Benefits skin and hair health. Rosemary is not just good for your internal health, it also has significant benefits for your skin and hair. The antioxidants in rosemary help to combat free radicals, which are responsible for premature aging and skin damage. Rosemary also has antimicrobial properties that can help to clear up skin conditions like acne and eczema. For hair health, rosemary stimulates circulation to the scalp, promoting hair growth and preventing hair loss. Whether consumed as tea or applied topically, rosemary can help to keep your skin youthful and your hair strong and healthy. Benefit number 10. Supports eye health. As we age, maintaining eye health becomes increasingly important. Rosemary contains compounds such as carnosic acid and rosmarinic acid, which have been shown to protect against age-related eye conditions like macular degeneration and cataracts. These conditions are often caused by oxidative stress, and rosemary's antioxidant properties help to combat this. Regular consumption of rosemary tea can therefore support eye health and help to preserve vision as you age. To make rosemary tea using fresh rosemary, start by rinsing a few sprigs of fresh rosemary thoroughly. Then, bring 1 cup, 240 ml of water to a boil. Add the fresh rosemary sprigs to the boiling water, reduce the heat, and let it simmer for about 5 to 10 minutes, depending on how strong you want the flavor. After simmering, remove the rosemary sprigs, pour the tea into a cup, and enjoy. You can also add honey or lemon for extra flavor if desired. If you found this information helpful, please give us a thumbs up and consider sharing this video with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health tips and natural remedies. Have you tried drinking rosemary tea as part of your daily routine? We'd love to hear your experiences. Share them in the comments below. Stay healthy and keep exploring the wonders of natural health.